The endocrine system is composed of 10 glands in different parts of the body. When the endocrine glands are stimulated, they produce molecules called hormones and release them into the vascular system. Hormones are like chemical messengers, transported by the blood to target cells. When it reaches a target cell, the hormone attaches itself to a specific receptor, which triggers a physiological process such as cell division. The production of many hormones is controlled by two small structures located at the base of the brain, the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. The hypothalamus is composed of nerve nuclei that control vital functions such as sleep. The hypothalamus also controls the pituitary gland, which is the main hormone-producing gland. The pituitary gland alone secretes 9 different hormones. Vasopressin, for example, regulates kidney functioning. Oxytocin causes contractions of the uterus during childbirth. Other pituitary hormones control skin pigmentation and bone growth. Together, the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland produce a third of the body's hormones. They therefore have an effect on many physiological processes.
Hi everyone, today is our lecture number is 11 and our topic is drugs affecting on endocrine system. So let's start our lecture. The study of the endocrine system and its disorder is known as endocrinology. Endocrinology is a branch of internal medicine. Here you can see all these glands which are in this endocrine system. First of all is pineal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, ovary, mammary gland, and so on. The hormonal system, called the endocrine system in medical terminology, has various glands that release different hormones. Hormones are like the body's communication system. They take message from one part of the body to the other part of the body. Here you can see the picture. Pineal gland is a small gland near the center of the brain, melatonin, and hypothalamus produces releasing hormone. For example, anterior pituitary. For example, follicle stimulating hormone acts on estrogen, progesterone, anti-Mullerian, testosterone, and prolactin. Then thyroid stimulating hormone acts on thyroxine, calcitonin, and adrenocorticotropic hormone acts on cortisol, aldosterone, adrenaline, and growth hormone insulin acts on insulin and glucagon. Main classes of hormonal drugs, all these are follows: calcitonin, sex hormone combination, anti-androgens, glucocorticoids, and corticotropin, sex hormone, contraceptives, estrogens, and so on. Here you can see the picture where blood vessels contain both glucagon and insulin. Insulin is a peptide hormone produced by the beta cells of pancreatic islets, also called Langerhans islet by name Paul Langerhans. Markers that appear when insulin-producing beta cell in pancreas are damaged. They can be detected a long time before beta cell are completely destroyed. Decreased or absent insulin activity result in diabetes mellitus, and there are two types of this disease. In type 1 diabetes mellitus, the beta cells are destroyed by an autoimmune reaction so that insulin can no longer be synthesized or be secreted into the blood. In type 2 diabetes mellitus, the destruction of beta cell is less pronounced than in type 1. Nearly 1.6 million Americans have type 1 diabetes mellitus and 19 million adults in Pakistan. 55,000 people with diabetes were registered in Kyrgyzstan. Common anti-diabetic agents include insulin, non-sulfonylureas or biguanides, and so on. First is insulin. Here is parental dose 100 units per ml, 3 ml vial, and or 10 ml vial, and half-life is 4 to 6 minutes. Next one is non-sulfonylureas, biguanides and metformin. An internal dose is tablet intermediate release 500 milligram, 850 milligram, 1000 milligram, and half-life is 4 to 8.7 hours. Next one is sulfonylureas glimepiride. Internal dose is 1 milligram, 2 milligram, 4 milligram, and half-life is 5 to 8 hours. Next is meglitinides. Natlinide eternal dose in tablet 60 milligram, 120 milligram, half-life is 1.4 hours. Next is thiazolidine idiones, rosiglitazone and pioglitazone. Rosiglitazone internal dose is tablet 2 milligram, 4 milligram, and half-life is 3 to 4 hours. Next is alpha glucosidase inhibitor, acarbose and miglitol. Acarbose 25 milligram, 50 milligram, and 100 milligram tablets per internal dose, and half-life is 2 hours. Next is incretin mimetics, albiglutine, glutide, brand name is Tanzium. Here you can see the picture of this injection pen. Divides into two parts. First is clear cartridge and pen body in the lower. Injection button in the lower. Injection button is inside the pen until the pen is ready for injection. Then number 1, pen is ready to begin. Medicine, powder and water are in separate compartments. And type 2, medicine, powder and water are mixed. And in type 3, large air bubbles are removed. The injection button pops out and the pen is ready for injection. And parental dose is 30 milligram per pen and 50 milligram per pen, and half-life is 5 to 8 days. Next is peramlitide, and internal dose and parental dose 0.6 milligram per ml, and half-life is 48 minutes. Next is dipeptidyl peptidase 4 inhibitor, alogliptin and linagliptin. Alogliptin internal dose is tablet 6.25 milligram to 12.5 milligram and 25 milligram, and half-life is 12.5 to 21 hour. Next is sodium glucose cotransporter 2 inhibitor, canagliflozin, and internal dose is tablet 100 milligram, 300 milligram, and half-life is 10 to 13 hours. Next is diabetes insipidus is characterized by extreme thirst and the passing of large amount of urine. And treatment options include vasopressin replacement, and the symptoms of diabetes insipidus include dry skin, constipation, bedwetting, weak muscle, extreme thirst that can be quenched, excessive amount of urine, colorless urine instead of pale yellow. Next is vasopressin. Parental dose is 20 units per ml intravenous solution, and half-life is 10 to 20 minutes. Next is nasal spray desmopressin acetate, and here is the picture of this drug, and half-life is 2.7 to 4.6. Next, here is the way of prescription. You should write first patient name, then address, prescription. In the last you can write signature, date, and goodbye. Thank you.